If Control Center 4 keeps crashing and freezing, then the issue occurs because the Control Center 4 application unable to run properly. The reasons include insufficient storage in your system. Second, OCR application need to be updated. Third, there is an corrupted data in Control Center 4 application or in printer driver software. Reason 4 is there is some other applications such as antivirus program may be blocking your CC4 application from running properly. So let's see the fixes. Fix 1, if Control Center 4 application is not responding or freezing, then first close the Control Center 4 application. So right click on the taskbar and go to Task Manager. Look for the program which is related to Control Center 4. So you will see an CC4 icon in the Process tab. Select it and click End Task. Now close the Task Manager, and if you have many applications opened in the desktop, then you have to close that. So I'm going to close the File Explorer. If you have files in the recycle bin, then right click on it and empty recycle bin, because the system performance issue occurs if there is so much files in the desktop. So right click on it and refresh. If you have more unwanted files stored in the desktop, then move it to the other drives like D, E, F. Now try open the Control Center 4 application and see if the error resolved. If the error continues, then you have to update the Control Center 4. Download Control Center 4 Updater tool. So open browser and type your printer name. And type download driver and press enter. Double click on the downloads. It will redirect to Brother official support website. So select your OS and OS version and OS type and click OK. Scroll down to utilities where you can see Control Center 4 Update tool. So double click on it, scroll down, click on download button. Download will start automatically and you can see a small arrow mark at the top right of the screen. So wait for the process to complete. Once the CC4 updated tool is downloaded, go to the downloads folder where you can see the CC4 updater tool exe file. So double click on it to install it. Click yes to confirm the process. Click next. Wait for the process to complete. Then click finish. Once the installation is completed, the Control Center 4 will be updated automatically. Fix 3. Disable antivirus program. If you have antivirus program installed, the antivirus software might blocking the CC4 icon. So if you click on this small arrow to task tray, you will see a minimized icon of antivirus program here. Since I have not installed any antivirus program, it is not visible here. But if you have installed, you can see it. So simply right click on the application and you will have an option to disable it. Click disable. Now launch the Control Center 4 and see if the error fixes. If not, then you have to reinstall the whole driver software. Fix 4. Install Brother printer driver. Open your browser and type your printer model. Here it is Brother TCP T310 and type printer driver download. Now click on downloads DCP T310. It will redirect to the official website. So select your OS and select your OS version and click OK. You cannot download and install Control Center 4 Separately from Brother, you have to install the full driver and software package once again. Click on it and you will be redirected to the download page. Click download. So the download will start automatically. You will see an notification here. There is a down arrow mark at the top right corner of the screen. So if you click on it, you will see the file downloading process. So wait for the process to complete. Download process completed. You can see the downloaded file in the downloads folder. So double click on it and the file will start to decompress and wait for the process to complete. So the decompressing process will create a new folder called install. Then double click on the folder to open it. Then you will see a start.exe file at the end. Make sure the printer is connected to your PC or laptop. Then right click on the file and click run as administrator to avoid any permission issues. Click yes to confirm the installation. So the Brother machine installation setup wizard will open. So first select language and click next. Then mark the checkbox to the license agreement and click next. So the system will start to search for the machine, I mean the printer which is connected to your PC. Wait for the process to complete. It will take few minutes. Since the printer is already connected to your PC, click next. If no machine found error occurs, you have to reconnect the USB to your PC. So remove the USB and reconnect it and click refresh button. So the printer will be recognized and select. You can see the printer model, that is DCP-T310, and the port is USB 00 and it is the printer serial number. Then click next. Select standard since it is the recommended option by Brother and click next. The installation process will begin and wait for the process to complete. It will take few minutes. Click install later and click yes to confirm the action. Then click next. Then click next and finish. So the driver has been installed successfully. After the installation, restart your system and double click on Brother Utilities. Double click on Control Center for link from scan. Now click on image and click scan. You see the error is resolved.